Solar lights. Yes, it's that time. I'll get ready to show you a quick DIY here. Basically, every box you buy of solar lights, you know, they come with this stem and this pole, right? When you put them together, it makes them, you know, this height. Not very tall, but it gets the job done. So, I discovered by accident, and I do mean by accident, how to make this pole longer. And what you're going to do is basically put all these together. Okay, so in order to make this work, basically, yeah, you can make it as long as you want by using the unused poles. You know, take them up out of the ground. I'm going to show you. Okay, so yeah, take it and then put it like that. That's how you take it out. Put it back in, just like that. And push. And now you got a longer pole. And then just add the light like that. Perfect, huh? Simple, too. And then just grab some tape and just reinforce where you just did that. Just because. Now look how tall this pole is. That's, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them connected. And now I can stick it in a taller plant for sure. Or any place else I want to have it stand out. So that's the traditional height that it comes. And by doing this, yeah, much taller. I was just using broom handles, but this is actually even taller than a broom handle. So originally it's that height, but by connecting all those together, it's that height. Pretty easy, huh? Yeah, these I just used hose hooks and just, you know, attach them to the fence. And these I just put them inside of a mason jar. Makes them bigger, brighter. Okay, so pretty simple DIY project, right? I mean, basically you're just reusing the stems and poles, whatever that you already have in the ground. And then that way you can, you know, not have to throw them away and put them to use, repurpose them, turn them into a longer pole. And that way you can have different heights of these if you want different heights. I just know I love solar lights. I have solar lights everywhere. I've got them on the fence, and I did those with just some hooks. So, you know, these you get at Walmart. They used to be 99 cents a piece. Now they're 6 for $7, but still, good deal. So you might want to try it. The sun turns them on, and when it gets light out, they go off. And they don't use any electricity, so solar lights. You can take these, you can glue them to things. You know, there's so many things you can do with solar lights on the cheap. Literally on the cheap. So, hope this video gave you an idea, maybe how to extend your height on your solar light. And other than that, I guess, thanks for watching. Bye for now.